What's up, everyone? How y'all doing? So I'm back with another video. Well, duh, because you guys can obviously see it's another video. So today, like in the title, I'm finally gonna be showing you guys the sweet sweat belt, and I'm finally opening up the one that my aunt bought me. Thank you again, auntie, for this. I cannot wait to use it and see what it's all about. So I'm gonna be actually doing two reviews today. So the next video that will probably get posted the same time as this one or after this video is going to be about a jump rope. So you guys will see that review as well. But today, this video is focused on this baby. So I already started peeling it because I'm so excited. Ooh. Now, this is the neon blue series, and let's just pop it open. Let me stand back some. Come on, you. That is so pretty. So here's the trimmer right here in this pretty blue color. Oh my gosh. Now, I mentioned before how I have the Pro series and the regular one, and I love the waist trimmers. I really do. This is my favorite brand, and I give them all the kudos in the world. And it also comes with this little net bag. That way, after you finish using it, you could just throw it right in here. Let me see if it's machine washable. Yeah, it's a wash bag. So you put your belt inside the wash bag and then you can wash it. So nothing else comes in it, but this is so pretty. I'm a sucker for packaging. Like, this packaging is beautiful. So I'm gonna put the packaging together. And it also came with this, get ready to sweat, and it just tells you like turn up the heat during any exercise and yada yada yada. And it gives you instructions on how to wash it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on, and y'all need to close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Oh wow, you see how long this is? This is, hold on, let me step back. This is how long this thing is. Hold on, usually there's sizes that come with it. Oh, this one is an extra large, so that's why it's very long. But I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so now y'all can close your eyes. That way I can put this on. Okay, because I don't need YouTube to flag me, I left it right underneath my fupa here, and it comes right there, like right underneath my bust. So this is really long. I like this. So I'm gonna just cover it up, and we're gonna go to work. Usually I use the enhancer, which I showed before in my gym bag video. If you want to go check that out, I will link it right above. Usually I would rub that, but because people usually just go for the trimmer itself, I'm just gonna leave that for another time. So do you want to see how much sweat I'm going to lose by using this belt? Yeah. All right, we're gonna get to it. By looking at me right now, it doesn't look like I sweat at all because it's very cold outside. And if you watch my other videos, you know that I always wear a hat, but because it's so cool outside, I didn't need a hat because I knew that I wasn't gonna sweat. Now, I do feel a little moisture on myself, but the amount of sweat that I feel inside this sweet sweat belt, you're gonna see. So because I am outside, I'm not going to, expose myself outside. I'm gonna show you guys how this belt looks when I get inside, or this trimmer when I get inside the house. So stay tuned if you want to see how much sweat I got going on this thing. So if you hear people in the background, like I always mention, I live with my family. So you can see the sweat work is starting to begin. So before, the sweat work starts to form in here, let me show you guys how it looks as soon as I take it off. So close your eyes. So here it is, and I'm gonna take it off. Do y'all see that sweat? And then I still got like more on my tummy. So all that, and it's dripping. I got my towel down on my floor, that way my sweat don't drip on my floor. But this is how much sweat came off. And see, I got sweat pouring down now. Still got sweat coming off on me. So this thing, it will get you right, okay? I really like Sweet Sweat belts, trimmers. Hello? Yeah, I seen it.
I just wanted to show you. Oh, I thought you was on the phone.
No, I'm recording a video.
No.
Thanks for disturbing me.
Hi, everybody.
Dead. So, yeah. I was just the bro, my brother got me distracted because he just got a console that I will not say what he got, but he wanted to show me it. And guess who's about to go play some video games? Anyways, back to the belt. So, do I suggest these belts? Yes, I sure enough do. And I really like this one because it comes up very high. So it covered everything as far as this midsection goes. My other ones would they don't cover everything. I usually have to wear both of them at the same time. And I want to say those are an extra large too. I want to say they're an extra large too. So anyways, I really do suggest you go ahead and get you one. And I think that these were definitely very helpful as far as helping me maintain my shape. They're not meant to be like a waist trainer where it's, I don't know how waist trainers work, but this will definitely help you sweat. Like, look how it's like all this. Please go get you one. So that was the end of this video. I'm all combobulated right now because I just did that workout and I'm tired. So I hope it made sense. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves. If you have any questions, or if you would like me to review my other belts, my other trimmers, matter of fact, leave them down in the comments below and I'll definitely show you guys how I use those in my workouts. If you want me to review the enhancer as well and give y'all my suggestions and my review and my tips on how I like it, because I do like the enhancer as well, leave that down below in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later.